Hey, it's your girl Gigi, and today I am back with day 3 of our 8-day cruise aboard the Sky Princess. And here you can see I am just styling and profiling my workout outfit for the day. We actually played pickleball, and the wind was not playing with us or that ball, so it made it very difficult to play. So we ended up giving it a few more tries. Until then, finally, my husband just got frustrated and was like, nah, we done. He moved the net and then we started playing basketball.
Okay.
I'm gonna blame it on the wind.
Two. Come. Four.
You're doing good.
Six.
What? No way, Keith.
Zip.
Just that.
Who? Seven.
You kidding me? Finally. What? Oh shoot. Damn. Get in the damn poop. Thank you.
Two.
Yay.
Three.
Woo-hoo.
Three.
Four.
Four. Nine.
Whoosh! So we just finished a quick game of 21. It was alright. So now we're walking on the deck 17. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but anyway, I'll go ahead and give you a nice view of our walk. So we're gonna play a little putt-putt. Like this.
Yeah. Oh, damn, Gwen. I'm sorry. Go ahead. All right.
And our workout for that day was complete. And this was a C day. This was C day number 2 for us. And we went back to our cabin and showered and got dressed for the rest of the day. And as you can see, I'm wearing white on white with some brown sandals. Real cute. I have taken everything out of the suitcases. And I'll just kind of give you just show you how I do it when I cruise. All right, here we go. Or not. Thought I recorded it, y'all. I thought I recorded it. I did not record it. Ugh. Y'all, I did not press the record button to show you how I actually had everything set up in my room. And I cannot believe it. So the main thing I want you all to do is make sure you get some hooks. Let's see, it's going to be here or here. But make sure you get hooks because you put these hooks on the wall of the cabins, and you can hang your hats, you can hang your purses, you can hang your padders up there, your princess padders, or whatever ship you're on. It really doesn't matter. All the cabins are metal, and each ship usually has like a daily itinerary of what's happening on the ship. Okay, but listen, when we went to Alaska, I hung my wigs up on my hooks. Again, book bags, clothes, like whatever you need to hang, put it on a hook because you are going to need that space. You're in a small cabin, utilize the space, honey. Get the hooks. I know exactly what happened. I probably hit it and then hit it again without knowing that I cut it off, thinking I was recording. I apologize. But get these hooks. Lifesaver, okay? All right, y'all. I won't do that again. You can bet your bottom dollar I'm going to make sure it's recording. Let's continue on with the video.
The patterns are like, your daily events that are happening on board the ship, and it has tips and things like that. I have a little flashlight just in case the power goes out. I shall be prepared. I have my stress pills, and I have those only because I am in an interior room, and in case I get a little claustrophobic, I want to be prepared, and those do help a lot. So these little things here are absolutely perfect. I have one and my husband has one. And we pack our clothes in there, pack it up in the suitcase. And here's our laundry basket. Okay, and here's a tip for you. Okay, tip for the laundry basket: take dryer sheets or something that maybe you can put some essential oils on or some fragrance on, like cotton balls or something, so that you can drop it in there and it keeps it nice and fresh. So, because there's no lid on that dirty clothes hamper, it's collapsible. So there's a tip for you when you're sailing.
If you're accustomed to sleeping with the fan on at home, make sure you get a magnetic fan to travel with you when you go on cruises or wherever. It sticks to the wall, it sticks to the ceiling, has a remote control. I'm so glad I purchased this. Get yours.
So they also provide these nice little tote bags for us. That was, excuse me, I got candy in my mouth. And these bags, you can put your little stuff in there because we're going to go out on the deck and we're going to play some games.
We love Face 10, so of course we packed our Face 10 cards. We also took our really huge playing cards with us, the big ones. And we also took miniature Uno cards.
4 in a row, connect 4. Taking my crossword puzzle, Black Girl Magic. I will link this down in the description. My sister-in-law actually got this for me, and I love it. I love it. There's different books, but it is surrounded around like Black history and Black inventors, or like this one, Black Girl Magic. It is really nice. So it's going in my bag, and we are off.
Princess Cruise Lines has these see-through skywalks, and it was sort of scary, but I decided I was going to do it in the daytime, and it's really cool. So be brave and walk the skywalk. After we finished hanging out on the deck, we walked back through the same area, maybe like 3 hours later, and they had started decorating for Christmas, and it was so beautiful. They work very quick. It was nothing like this 3 hours before, so kudos to them.
So Keith and I are just sitting out here on deck 7 on the back. It's like a nice little hideaway. It's only 2 not lawn chairs, all these lounge chairs back here, and we have a beautiful view of the wake of the ship and just the ocean, and the sun is on the other side. beautiful. It's gorgeous.
So once we got back to our cabin, we rested a little bit. Then we got ready for dinner. And honey, as you can see, I wore my cruise dress, my nautical dress, and I love wearing this dress on captain's night because when I see the captain is always impressed by my dress. Okay. So we went to dinner. We had the crab and artichoke dip, or whether I had it, and then we had a fruit bowl. Some hot bread was served. They had the cold banana mint fruit soup, which was good, and the fish and jasmine rice with the mango chutney. That wraps it up for day 4 aboard the Sky Princess. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Let me know where you're planning to cruise to. See you for day 4 in the next video.